Hello everyone, welcome to 3D Sessions. In this new tutorial, we will make simple low poly treasure chest that can be used as game assets or icon or token. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe to get more content like this. Now let's start modeling. Select the cube and delete that by pressing X. Press X and delete. Now Shift A, mesh and cylinder. Make the vertices 12. Now rotate it to x-axis, RX90. Front view. Press tab for the edit mode, Alt Z for the X-ray mode. Press 1 for the vertex mode and select bottom 3 vertices, both the side, and press X and vertices to delete. Now press 2 for the edge mode. Select these 2 edges and press F to fill that gap. Fill. Now go to left view. Press tab to the object mode. And now scale it to Y axis. S, Y. And make it little big. Now press tab for the edit mode and press 3 and select the face and drag it down. Go to the left view and drag it down. Now I think this is fine. Now press 2 for the edge mode. Alt click to select the whole edge. Now Shift Alt click to select this side also. Press F to fill the gap. Now press 1 for the vertex mode. Select these 2 vertices and press J to join them. And this side also select these 2 vertices. Press J to join them. Now go to left view. Press 3 for the face mode. Alt Z for the X-ray mode and select the bottom faces. Now press P and selection to separate them. Now we have 2 separate objects, the top part and the bottom part. Now we will open the lid of this chest. So for that, select the top part, press tab for the edit mode, press 2 for the edge mode and select this edge. Now Shift S and cursor to selected. Now press tab for the object mode. Right click, set origin and origin to 3D cursor. Now our cursor is here. Now we will open the lid of the chest. Now it's open. Now select the bottom part. Ctrl A and press scale. Now press tab for the edit mode. Press L to select all faces. Now press E and S and extrude inside. Now we gave the little thickness to it. Now press 2 for the edge mode and select inside edge, and it looks little slant, so let's drag it little up and make it straight. Yeah, this is good. Now press 3 for the face mode and select these faces. Press I and insert and one more time I. So this is fine. Now right click and extrude faces along normals. Click that and extrude it little bit inside. Now we can see the border here. Press tab for the object mode. Now select the top face. Ctrl A and scale. Press tab for the edit mode. Press L to select everything. Now press E and then S and drag it little bit inside. This is fine. Now press 3 for the face mode. Select all top faces by pressing Shift. Now press I to insert and insert it little bit. Right click, extrude faces along normals and drag it little down. This is fine. Now select these two side faces. Press I and insert it little bit. Right click, extrude faces along normals and drag it little inside. Now this is fine. Now let's create the lock. Shift A, mesh and the cube. Scale it small. Drag it to the front. Scale it to X, SX and make it thin. Bring it down. This is fine. Now Shift A, mesh and torus. Make this major segments 12 and minor segments 8. Scale it small. Rotate it to RX90. Bring it down. Adjust it. Alt Z, press tab and select this. Press X and vertices to delete those. Bring it down. I think this is fine. Scale it to ZX to make it small as Z. Yes, now this is fine. Now select this box, square. Shift D to copy that and bring it up. Now rotate. Make it local so it is easy to adjust. Select the box and the top part and join them. Ctrl J. Now rotate it and bring it down. This is correct. Press tab for the edit mode and Ctrl R and add the two edge loops, vertical edge loops. Now Ctrl R and add two more and scale it to Y axis, S, Y and make it little long. Press 3 for the face mode. Select this face, press X and delete it. Now we have the gap for this hook. Press 2 for the edge mode. Select these edges. Go to edge mode. Make the bridge edge loops. Now this is correct. Now again rotate it and we'll check this thing. adjust the loops. Now this is fine. Now again select the top part and open it. Now let's create the lock. Shift A, mesh and circle. Make the vertices 12 and fill type. Select the triangle fan. Now bring it to the side. Press tab for the edit mode. Now go to top view. I to insert it. Now bring this circle to top. Drag it to the top. Now at the edge loop, Ctrl R. Select these 3 vertices and bring it little down. Now select everything. Press E and extrude it up. Now press 3 for the face mode. Select these 2 faces and all these circle faces. Now press E and extrude it to down. E and down. So now we have the keyhole shape. This is fine. Press 1 to vertex mode and now we'll give the shape SX0 to make it straight. Select this SX0. Now this is SY0 and this 3 SY0. Now it is kind of a lock shape. Now rotate it to RX90 and RZ-90. Bring it front. Make it small. Now shift A, mesh and torus. Enter. Make it small. Bring it front. RY90. Make it small. We'll make this lock little wide. Press tab and select this X and vertices to delete those. Scale it small. Now rotate it. Just insert this one. Now I think this is fine. Let's make it little small. Yeah, this is fine now.